to log out account on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log out accounts on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the left side, you will find various options. At the very bottom, you will see more options. Click on the more and this window will appear. Within the window, at the very end, you will see logout option. You just simply have to click on this logout option and wait for a while, and after that you can see you have successfully logged out from your OnlyFans account. Now if you want to log back to your account, you just have to enter your email address and password of your OnlyFans account, then click on this login button. Then you will be able to use your OnlyFans account again. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.